decorating watermelon, guys, huh? You see how to decorate the watermelon and arts. You see, guys, huh? Easy, but you like to see and listen. Wow, very fast, guys, huh? You see, if you have knowledge like this, very fast to make. You see, guys, huh? Wow, you see, flower is coming now, guys. Very nice. You see, guys, huh? See, guys, the flower is coming. And some decoration of the side, guys, huh? You see, easy, but you like to practice. You see, guys, huh? Wow, I like it, guys. Wow, you see, guys, huh? Wow, roses is coming. Another, guys, huh? You like to decorating. You see, guys, how to decorating flowers on. Wow, on watermelon. You see, guys, huh? Wow, you see how to remove. Very nice, guys. Wow, you see, oh, 2 by 2 remove, guys, huh? Nice. You see, oh, very nice, guys, huh? Tower is coming now. Take care for removing, guys, huh? Because the result. Wow, thank you for watching in my live, huh, guys. Don't forget share and like in my video, guys, huh? Thank you for watching. Wow, very nice. You see, I like it. You see, guys, wow. Wow, guys, wow. Now it's finished. You see, guys, huh? Oh, and another again. You like to go big. Thank you for watching, guys, huh? Don't forget share and like in my video and subscribe, guys, huh? You see, guys, already almost half ready, guys. Wow. Very nice, guys, huh? You see, wow. You see, oh, very nice. You see the coloring of watermelon is very red. I like it, guys. You see how to make art and decorating. He make flowers. Wow. You see, guys, huh? Oh, very nice, guys. Wow. I like it, guys, huh? You see, guys. Wow. You see, guys, how to remove and decorating again. Other side, guys, huh? Very nice, guys. You see, oh, very talented. Wow, wow, I like it, guys. Thank you for watching, huh? Don't forget, you see, wow, guys, almost ready, guys, huh? Wow, very nice, guys. You see, guys. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget like and share my video and subscribe. Chef Eric Malya. Wow. You see? Oh. Wow, very nice guys. I like it. Wow. Almost finished guys. See guys? Wow. Oh. Thank you for watching guys. You see? Remove almost half. Wow. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to share and like in my video. Chef Eric Malya. Wow. You see guys? Oh. Very nice. You see guys? Wow. You see? Wow. Very nice. You see guys? Oh. I like it guys. You see? Oh. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget share and like and subscribe my video guys. Chef Eric Malya. Now he cut big. Wow. You see now. Almost finished guys. Thank you for watching guys. This is for buffet guys. Thank you for watching. Almost finished guys. Wow. Very nice. One by one remove on the side guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share and like in my video. Chef Eric Malya. You see guys, almost finished guys. Wow. Thank you for watching. Wow, finished guys. You see? Wow. You remove side by side guys. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you for watching. Wow, very nice guys. You remove side by side guys and decorative little. Now is almost finished guys. Yan guys. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget. Wow, nice is ready. Now is ready guys.